everybody. I got it here. I just got it today. I opened one already. I bought two. This is the SmallRig battery for Sony FZ100, a replacement, third-party replacement or backup, whatever you want to call it. I bought two because it was $18 a piece. And if you buy the actual Sony battery, it costs $79 on average. Here's the packaging. Here's the numbers. Then here's the numbers here too. Hope the camera can see it. And it's pretty, it's sealed. So let's open this up. And it says on the description that it's fully compatible. There's two, so there's one and two. It comes with a pamphlet and specs. Don't need that. Don't need that. Here's the battery. It's good. It has this cover. Good to have that cover. Alright, so here's the Sony battery, genuine one. Yeah, let's see if I put a number on them so I can keep track on which one is depleted and which one is not. I created my own system, so because one time I ran out of battery because I didn't know I forgot to charge one. So this is the sizes. Pretty much the same size, better be. Anyway, the main reason I bought this, like I said, it's supposed to be able to put in your camera and you should be able to see without any problems with compatibility. Let me demonstrate that. I have a generic one that I'm going to show you. It came with the bundle when I bought the camera. So let me get my camera. Alright, so here's the Sony battery, genuine one. Yeah, let's see if I put a number on them so I can keep track on which one is depleted and which one is not. I created my own system, so because one time I ran out of battery because I didn't know I forgot to charge one. So this is the sizes. Pretty much the same size, better be. Anyway, the main reason I bought this, like I said, it's supposed to be able to put in your camera and you should be able to see without any problems with compatibility. Let me demonstrate that. I have a generic one that I'm going to show you. It came with the bundle when I bought the camera. So let me get my camera. Hello everybody, here's the battery. Unfortunately, I did my test to see if it makes it gives us the warning, and pictures came up blurry. I guess it wasn't focused right. Anyway, here are the two batteries. I fully charged it already. I already used it on the field, and it lasts almost as long as the genuine battery that came with the camera. Anyway, this one doesn't have the USB charging the port, because the other ones, the newer ones, I think the newer ones, it has a USB-C port here, and this one doesn't. Yeah. And you see there's a number 4, 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. But I carry 3 batteries. I number them this is my 4th and 5th. And the reason I do that, because that way I can keep track of which one I need to charge. For example, if number 4 is in my camera, and I have number 3 and 5, that means number 3 needs to be charged. And when I reach to number 5, and I have 4 and 1, then number 4 needs to be charged if it's in my pocket. So that's how I keep track, because I was shooting a golden eagle, and I thought I charged my battery and I did not. So that's how I keep track. Anyway, let me demo to you this. Here's a hope the camera can pick it up. This is an A7R, and it came with a battery that I put somewhere. Let me get it. Alright, so it came with the original battery, which is this one, and bundled with a co-op battery and a charging battery, too. So it came with this bundle, and so when I try it, let me show you. This is the co-op battery, and put it in the compartment. Forget to turn that off. When you turn it on, oops. Hopefully it's focused. See, there's no warning, right? But watch when I take a picture. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, it's working fine again. Strange. Oh, there you go, see? It says, I hope the camera can read it. It says, the operation and safety of this battery cannot be guaranteed to continue to use. You can use it to continue. Okay. It's good, but it gives you that warning. But when I use the other one, the new one, here's the SmallRig battery. Almost put it the wrong way there. No warning yet. No warning. Let me try again somewhere. See, no warning. I'm going to leave that there. See if my warning light will show up. So it's still on. No warning lights. I mean, no warning sign, not lights. So here's my birding camera. This is a A7R4. Pretty big. You go there. Let me take the battery out. This one is number 1. So that's why I charge number 5. And number 5 here. Anyway, maybe put the co-op brand in the demo. Turn it on. Okay, let me take it out. Let me take a picture. It's only taking one there, can't focus. Not being focused there. Let's put a manual. There you go, warning again. See? And this one isn't warning yet. No warning, see? This one has the same warning as this one. You can continue or you can cancel. I just say okay. Right, so now let me put my number 5 SmallRig. Turn it on. This is the co-op one. This is the Sony one. Take a picture. No warnings. So no warnings for this one. Like I said, I've been using it, no warnings. So, let me turn this up, show you that's actually SmallRig number 4. Don't need this one anymore. Still no warning. And turn this up. Put the original Sony now. Sony works fine, so we don't need to test that. Here's the other SmallRig number 5. Alright, so like I said, it lasts almost as long as the Sony brand. This one doesn't last as long as any of these two types of battery. This one gives me a warning. These two doesn't. So I'm trying to order it online again because I only paid $80 for each, but it's out of stock. I guess they're phasing this out. Too bad. I was a little bit. I was kind of planning to buy more, but I want to make sure that it doesn't give me that warning, and it doesn't. So too late now though. Anyway, maybe this one doesn't get. I don't think this one will get updated in the A732. So there's no firmware update. So it should work fine. Maybe if they do decide to do a firmware update, it might give me the warning if they do update and use the third-party battery. But for now, since there's no update anymore that I know of for both of my Sony cameras, I should be working. I should be okay with these third-party batteries, except for this one. But it still works with the Koa one, but only the warning sign. All right, so this is for the SmallRig NP. What's the name of the battery again? Anyway, battery for the Sony camera. It works good for the price, and doesn't give me that warning. All right. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. Any like on the video would be nice. It helps me a lot. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.